Hi, I'm Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNNLive. We are at the Sachs Associates 6th Annual European Life Sciences CEO Forum 2013 here in Zurich, Switzerland. I have Naja Kjeldsen from Stratos Bio. It's a private company. Dr. Kjeldsen, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Shelley, for having me on.
It's my pleasure to have you. Please tell our audience about Stratos Bio.
Thank you. Stratos Bio is a private company funded in Geneva in 2003. We have two areas of expertise. One, we are a consultancy company where we perform due diligence for mergers and takeovers for both large and small companies. We help small companies start up and get funding, and we also do brokerage. From a drug development perspective, we are developing two compounds in two different pharmaceutical areas. One, infectious diseases, and one in oncology. In infectious diseases, we are developing an automated immunoassay system to identify and treat very difficult hospital infections.
Okay, Naja, tell us about your second development.
Thank you. Second development is an anti-oncology compound against fibronectin, which is a marker molecule on melanoma cells. And it's linked to two IL-12 molecules that basically mobilizes the immune system, and the immune system fixes the problems itself. It's a very important compound. We are currently seeking funding for our phase 2 development, which is 9 million Swiss francs, and we hope to achieve it in the next 3 months with a major pharma company.
You know, I'm hung up on something that you said. You said something about infections that start in the hospital.
Yes.
Now, what do you have for that? Let's get more into that.
Infections that start in hospitals can be started in different ways. One, there are very serious infections that patients sometimes arrive in hospitals with, like MRSA, or there are hospital-acquired infections that, unfortunately, when we have an operation, can be operated into our system by doctors, and it may not come out for 10 years or more.
What about staph?
That is exactly staph. MRSA is methicillin-resistant staphylococcus infections, and a very serious problem in hospitals at this point in time. We also have compounds against gram-negative infections, which are mostly respiratory, and we are developing in preclinical development new inhaled both formulations and devices to combat inhaled or say respiratory infections in the lungs.
So timing-wise, how soon to market on both?
For the infectious diseases, we can be on the market in 2 years. For the melanoma compound, we can certainly have a phase 2 compound ready to sell in a 3-year time frame, and we can be on the market in a 5-year time frame. If we could follow the Roche pattern and go for a phase 2 accelerated trial, we would be in the market in 3 years, but we need a big pharma company to sponsor us to make sure we can take that route.
What is your website?
www.stratosbio.com.
And that's STRATOS bio.com. What's your background?
I have a degree in biochemistry from North East London Polytechnic and a PhD in medicinal microbiology from London University, Chelsea College.
That's all?
That's all, yes.
Now, again, I want to thank Naja Kjeldsen of Stratos Bio for coming on to SNNLive. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Sachs Associates 6th Annual European Life Sciences CEO Forum 2013 here in Zurich, Switzerland. Again, thank you for coming on to SNNLive.
And thank you, Shelley, for having me on.
Quite welcome.